morning prayer.
Good morning, New Yorkers. Looking for another beautiful day.
Good morning, hello, how are you? The sun is shining here. It is hot. Hot here, but that's okay. We love a good June month because June is my little birthday month. Just kidding, my birthday already passed, but you should know that because you've been watching all the vlogs, right? Right. Today is last day off from my little birthday extravaganza, and I just feel like I need to do like a little reset. You know, like, let's get it together, girl. You gotta go to work tomorrow, so let's clean. Let's spend the day being productive. I need to go to the grocery store. I actually am gonna place an order on Amazon grocery. I think it's called like Fresh. I'm gonna get some groceries because I want to make this beautiful, what looks like a just wonderful soup. I want to make that tonight, so I'm getting them delivered only because my mom and grandmother and granddaddy and my stepdad got me a gift card for Amazon. Sent it through email because I told her, don't send nothing through the email because it will get snatched. Dang it. But anyway, I'm gonna use the grocery delivery service and just get some groceries. I'm adulting. I love grocery shopping. I love groceries, so that's a wonderful gift. And you already saw I've been cleaning, tidying up. So yeah, let's get this day going. It's already oh my gosh, it's 10:46. And I have yet to go to the gym. Dang it. Okay, so I need to go to the gym and do a workout, and then I gotta go to the grocery store. I'm not waiting. It's gonna be noon. It's gonna be hot AF, and I'm walking, but whatever. Let's move, shall we? In case I was confusing, so I'm ordering the bulk of the groceries off of Amazon, but there's a few things in that recipe that Amazon did not have, like lemongrass and some root that's like ginger's cousin. I'm not even gonna try. Whatever, I'll show you when I get it. But that is at Food Bazaar, the grocery store. So those things I'm gonna go get over there, get the rest delivered. Okay, yeah, let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the grocery store before I like sit down. Workout is finished, so let's get the show on the road. Yeah, let's go. Okay, for quick summer errands, I always take my Zagny Zover. She's convenient and hands-free, and in her goes money, keys, AirPods, and the phone, which I love this bag because the phone, there's like a pouch specifically for your phone. And then normally I would put like a gloss or something in here too, but since we're just going out and coming right back, we'll zip her up. And she goes right like this. I'm also taking this, which is my little bag inside of a bag. So it's my grocery tote. It's big, it's just folded up in here. So let's go. I took one step out of the door and I am roasting. I know I keep saying it, but it's so freaking hot. Roasting. I am home in the AC. I'm so grateful for it. We have groceries. Let's do a little grocery haul very quickly. And then, you know what, I have to edit. I have to get some editing done. So after like dishes, next step is editing. Boom. These, never go to the grocery store hungry because you end up with random things that aren't good for you. The wavy Cuban sandwich chips from Lay's. They're the summer edition. And I'm like, what? Yeah, I want to try those. They sound delish. And then we got shrimp and scallops. $8 for this bag and $7 for this bag of shrimp. It's gonna go with my beautiful, delicious broth. Even more than what I already had from Italy. I like seafood through and through. If I could eat seafood every day, like, and Mark wasn't allergic, I totally would. Then we have garlic, limes, lemongrass. I've never cooked with this, never, smells delish. Never handled this in the kitchen, so I'm excited. Cooking new things, like, I love it. I love it. The recipe called for a little bit of brown sugar, so I got some of that. Green onion. This is for my coffee in the morning. Anytime this one goes on sale, I grab it. It's expensive, but you know, with the sale, it's not that bad, and it's really delicious. Then we got cilantro and red peppers. The only thing about this grocery store is, yeah, these are hot, is that you can't get like just one. So you can't get just one jalapeno. They're already packaged. And now I have a bunch of these. And the recipe called for half of one. But I like spicy, so I'll figure out something else to do with it. Coconut milk, chicken bouillon cubes for the chicken broth, an Olipop. I haven't tried this one and I'm excited to. I got the ginger lemon, 40 calories a can, and it supports digestive health, so we love that. Instead of Ginger's Cousin, whatever it was called, they only had ginger, so we're gonna make it work. I'm sure it'll still be delish. I got a sweet watermelon gum because working with the public, I've been buying gum a lot lately just because you take a lunch break, then you come back and whew, you never know. So gum, always on hand. This was on sale as well. I haven't tried it, but I've seen it everywhere. It's Recess Mood, and it has magnesium in it. If you guys don't know, I am in my magnesium era. So I'm trying just like drinks, just to kind of start shutting my body down. This is magnesium as well from Moon Juice. So like nighttime, 9:30, if my jobs allow, if I'm already home, I like to take some magnesium, settle down, get in the bed at a right time. So this was on sale. I figured it's flavored strawberry rose. We'll try it. And we got some oat milk creamer, sweet and creamy. These cornichons. I made a charcuterie board just for me, and I still have some meats and stuff left, meats and cheeses and crackers. So this will be a great addition to my little board. So excited. Okay, that's the haul. Y'all, I got wind that this nail glue is the best in the biz, And you bet your bottom dollar I bought a 15 pack of them. It was only $15, but like, let me stock up before it sells out. I got it off of Amazon. I'll link it. Grab yours. Okay, now I have to edit. Rain is coming down. I am so glad I already went to the grocery store. We needed it though. Look at that. It's so hot. This rain's gonna cool us down. Just got back and this is what I wore. It's another Revolve dress, like the one that I wore on my birthday. It's from the same brand. It's called like Bobby or something, B-O-B-I. But it's so, like, they make dresses that are lightweight, flowy. Yeah, these don't have, this one doesn't have pockets, but just the lightness of it is all I need. And then my little Puma sneakers I matched it with. And yeah, simple, light. I was still sweating. Let's finally make this soup recipe that I found on Pinterest. It looks like it's so delicious, so let's do it. But I'm gonna put shrimp and scallops with mine. It's gonna be so good. You guys have no idea how excited I am to eat this soup. It's about to be delish. So good, so flavorful, made by yours truly, with a recipe of course, but still. Okay, let's give this a try tonight. Strawberry rose, recess. I just straightened my hair and I drank that magnesium drink. I mean, it was cute. It's sparkling water. I think where I get like excited is because it's like it's pretty expensive. Like that was on sale, $4. So I'm expecting like this amazing drink and it's like a sparkling water. But yes, there was magnesium in it and now I'm feeling like really tired. So it does do the job. So let's call it a day. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I've been using this from Moon. I think it's Kendall Jenner's brand, but it's not about her. It's really just about the toothpaste. Good whitening toothpaste. We love. Thank you for watching as always. It tastes pretty good. I will see you in the next video. Bye.